Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. In today's short pronunciation video, I am going to teach you a vowel which is, it's a little bit strange. It is a vowel that is dropping out of English. So what this means is that young speakers don't tend to use this vowel. Older speakers may still use it, but younger speakers increasingly don't use this vowel at all. Plus, there's actually not even that many words with this vowel sound in at all. So I'm going to teach you the sound first of all. This one here, it's ua, ua. So we're starting off from u. This is the vowel sound that's in words like foot and book and pull, u. The tongue then relaxes, it becomes the unstressed vowel sound. I've got another video about that vowel sound if you want to practice that on its own. So it sounds like ua, ua. So a word like this one here, for example, would be cure. And a word like this one would be tour. And this one would be poor. However, in younger speakers, as I've said, it is increasingly being replaced with or. This is the vowel in words like saw and more and autumn, or. So I'm going to give you the ways that we spell the vowel sound, and then I'm going to kind of teach you the traditional, the now slightly old-fashioned way, and the more modern way as well. And I want you to go for the one that you find the easiest. It doesn't matter if you're going for the more traditional version or the more modern version. Do you know, somebody the other day told me off for moving my hands too much. Apparently British people don't move their hands. Who knew? Anyway, right, here we go. So we can spell this U-R-E. For example, cure, pure, secure. Or we can pronounce those cure, pure, secure. That's how I personally pronounce these words. We can spell it O-U-R. For example, tour, tourist, contour. Personally, I would say tour, tourist, contour. We can also spell it, double O-R, for example, poor, moor. Personally, I would say poor and more. So, as I said, pick the pronunciation that is easiest for you, okay? The one that makes you not panic, just is easier. You've got enough to do. Down below this video, in the caption, I've put a link for you for a free guide to all the vowel sounds of British English. It includes examples of all of these vowel sounds, the ways that we spell them, what these symbols are. It gives you some exercises that you can use to help you learn these vowels, to help you practice these vowels. Down in the caption below, it's yours, it's absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video.